Hey folks, I'm here doing a video on my trailer hitch I put on my bus. Just thought it might be interesting for those who are thinking about putting a hitch on their bus. So anyhow, let's see what I got. Alright, this is what I got here. It's a Reese tow power. It's an adjustable, or it used to be an adjustable hitch. This is where you would adjust it right here on both sides. And then this is where you would lock it in. But what I did on mine was just for me, just, I don't know, for my mind, I had this welded in place, both sides. Let's go up underneath. Not going to show you much, but it will show you that I have 9 bolts in here on both sides. 9 bolts. No, take that back. I can't count. I got 7 bolts on each side. Total of 14 bolts. And these are, as you can see on there, it's got 6 lines on it, which means it's a grade 8 bolt. It's not the strongest, but it's really close. There's a grade 9, but the only problem with the grade 9 is that they're more brittle. So it's best to go with a grade 8. And then there's a grade 5, which will only have 3 of these lines. So you take 3 away. So these are all grade A bolts. Let me show you over here what I'm talking about as far as taking parts off. Well, you're not going to be able to see that, but I'm going to show you what I mean. And then I'll give you pictures. Alright, so here's the outside of it right here. And the part I'm talking about is there's a plate that can go on these 7 bolts and then up and over this right up here. But because this here was in the way, I could not do that. This is what holds the bumper on to the frame. I could probably have manipulated that, but I just decided not to do it. But so on both sides, this bracket is right here. And so I could not put the other bracket on, the other piece of this receiver hitch. But I just thought that you folks might like to find out how I did this. And see here also I had this here welded in place in these 3 areas on this side and the other side. Just a peace of mind for myself. Once again, going down the road knowing that it's got 7 bolts on each side plus it's welded. Just a peace of mind for me. But yeah, I'm going to show you the pictures of the hitch, the receiver hitch, when it's new, and you can get these on Amazon. But anyhow, it's really about all I had to show you. I also had to wire up my own wiring system harness for the trailer hitch. I had to run all the wires and do all that stuff to a 7-pin round blade trailer wiring harness. I'll show you that. Alright, so here's it's a Reese tow power also, but I haven't cleaned up all my wiring yet, but this is what it was. I just bolted it into the bottom of the bumper, and then this is my ground coming right out of here. But I just thought you guys might be interested in this, in case you decide, I mean, not just hooking it, mounting it to a bus, but any kind of vehicle. This might be a good fit for a lot of vehicles, this adjustable hitch. So anyhow, I appreciate you watching. If you thought it was, found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Now, be safe, and see you next time.